Hey guys, welcome back. So another round of Drift Masters is on this weekend, and I actually checked what track it was going to be this time before jumping in. So they're at Finland at Power Park. So with that, let's just jump in. Alright, Power Park, back in the JZX100. Something I didn't mention last time when I was driving this was it actually puts up a reverse camera. That's a very bad shot. Looks a bit overexposed in this one, but yeah. There is a reverse camera in the stereo. Still in loops. So this track is quite tight and lots of walls to hit. So I was going to jump back into VDC cars and I was trying that on this track, but I thought this would be a good, because it's so tight and small, would be a good track just to jump back into the small cars. Alright, so from the start, come down. This is a 2024 layout. It has an outer zone along the wall, which goes for quite a long time. From there, you got one inner clip to an outer zone. Should be another outer zone here, which is hat, so you can't cut it. Another outer zone, and then the final one along here. And this corner here seems quite banked. And then you just loop back around and start again. So done a couple laps, haven't been able to really ride the wall on this first corner. Go back to standing starts. It's pretty interesting, like being in a theme park. Obviously you can see the roller coaster in the background there. Very different backdrop. I'm gonna go straight to the wall. Not a good start. I'm watching roller coasters. Alright, we'll go that in a bit. Try to keep it out. There, that's one lap. Does the Ferris wheel move? Hey, it looks like it is something's moving. Really want to try and get turn one, but I think I do until too much speed. Alright, we'll go to standing start. Find that very close to the wall. Ah, way off the wall. Get that clip. Damn. Solid witches hats on this track. Alright, so that was an even worse run. So you need to go wider on turn one and not run into the solid witches hats. Start again. I wonder if I should just try it in second. No, I'm gonna come up shallow though. Probably a bit shallow on that one as well. Should have pulled the handbrake and got it back out sideways instead of changing to second first in that last section. Like, this is a different layout again, so like I said in the previous ones, I don't know anything about Drift Masters, so I don't know any of these tracks. So I do find it, yeah, interesting to try completely different tracks that I knew nothing about. In a theme park, it's just a, yeah, real interesting concept. I guess like Okabuki, how it's a ski resort. But that's at least, that's in the car park. This looks like a set up track. So I'm sure someone knows. I don't know if it's meant to be a go-kart track. Like it's got like a bridge you cross over and go underneath. Now it's got a stadium there, so is it a permanent setup track? I don't know if I'll get a clean lap of this one. Getting closer to the outside wall here. Ah, the back ran into it. A bit too close to the outside wall. Hold it there. So that worked out better that time, but I still should have pulled the handbrake and got the slide back out, and then used that slowing down time to change it back to second, instead of the other way around. Hand side's going. Starting to go yellow. Do one more lap and reset the car. Get fresh tyres on. Straight into the wall. So we can at least get the rest of the lap. Alright, there. Cool. Reset. Should be a little cut through here. Alright, first. 1 second, third. Ah, straight into the wall. Definitely just held the handbrake on too long. Didn't start that forward drive by accelerating. I don't know what I was thinking. Just seemed like a time to hold the handbrake. It just slid me straight into the wall. Alright, I'll just do a couple more. Really just wanted to get turn 1, but well, at least get turn 1 on the wall. Alright, so just handbrake it. I think I was too far off it there. Big slide, handbrake. I think the banked section, or should watch where I'm going. I think the banked section also throws you a bit, because the car behaves a bit different to how I expect it would on a flat surface, so need to change my own inputs for that section. Second, third. I don't know if they're my marks on the ground, but it looks like it's kind of in the right spot. This one's not. What wall haven't I hit yet? Alright, I think 2 more laps. Definitely get it in one of the next 2 laps. Definitely do this in the third. Slow the car down, power through. That felt better. Shouldn't have lifted off the throttle though as much as I did. And I backed out of that because I thought I was going to run to the witch's hat. I think I just need to get on power earlier for the banked corner. Alright, at least thought I got turn 1 pretty good that time, so I'm pretty happy. Alright, the last lap. First, second. Run into the witch's hat. Now let's just do a reset and go for 1 last lap. Without hitting a witch's hat. I understand why they make them solid, because obviously they definitely know you run into it, but it's annoying sometimes. Alright. Still want to do 1 more lap. Sure, this would get you kicked off. Alright, last lap. Last lap. Oh, let's get out a bit wider. Try this in third. Should have gone back to second. Shouldn't have got greedy and thought I could hold third. But so I don't know if the layout will be the same. Obviously in the last one I got completely wrong track, so my track record's not very good here. But I enjoyed watching round 2 Drift Masters. It was just, yeah, different cars, different drivers, different tracks, so something I haven't seen before. And Power Park here seems like a type or technical track, just with changes. But should be good to watch. Let's loop it back around here. Drive back up on top. Strip around the last corner. To the witch's hat. But definitely gonna have to I want to keep practicing this track. I liked it. Thanks for watching, guys.